So a quick progression sharing up to my third day doing the Padre Ludus game jam #1, and I've done this for 4.5 hours. My idea is to create a roguelite game where you need to go and sacrifice yourself to create beacons of light in specific places and to remove darkness from that area. So just showing it a bit, there will be creatures that spawn and chase the player that you have a small ability to scare off them, and you have those beacons. You need to stay dead for some time, and if a creature comes nearby, it will stop progress, and the player can die as well. And when they die, they don't make progress. They need to go there and fully activate this beacon, and when the beacon is activated, and this creature, I just found a bug, but the creatures should run away from the beacons as well. And that's it for now. I have this chase, spawning, and this. I got some bugs, I got some difficulties, but that's it. My progression for 4.5 hours of work.